Alright, these are the lobby escalators here at Disney's Contemporary Resort, Walt Disney World in Bay Lake, Florida. These are Otis Single File Escalators. Now we'll go to the other set. Down there leads you to the convention center area. And here's the other set escalators serving 2 to 4. Also Otis single file escalators. What the fourth floor looks like. And now let's go back down the escalator. Otis nameplate. There's the up escalator and your manpower elevator. Back down the other escalator we just came up in from the lobby. There's the up escalator, manpower elevator, and here's the down. Otis. Alright, that'll be it. Thank you all for watching.